The 5 most important Python libraries you should know for data analysis. 1. Pandas makes it easy to organize, manipulate, and analyze large sets of data. 2. NumPy provides tools to work with large arrays and perform numerical calculations. 3. Matplotlib helps you create a wide variety of graphs and charts to visualize data. 4. SciPy adds advanced math functions and tools for scientific calculations. 5. Seaborn simplifies creating attractive and informative statistical graphs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.